everyone, this is Kipo Vlog, si Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin itong reaction video, ang super voices for today's video. Let's check it out. What super voices has to offer, kung ano ang atake nila dito for today's video. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Okay, ano kakantahin nila? Ang alam ko kasama din to sa
Remember so well the day that you came into my life. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in
wow.
It's all the worries and fears that I had.
Nakaka-inlove tuloy ang boses niya.
I'm really trying.
Ang gwapo ni Jurex. Nagigigil ako.
Not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you.
Ay, key-change agad.
I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life.
Nice.
All the worries and fears that I had.
So, Wes. Wow, sarap.
It's not every day.
Alam ko, ipupush niya.
Like you comes my way. No words can express how
Ang ganda ng rendition niya. Wow, perfect.
I love you.
Ang ganda ng rendition niya, ma'am. Sa totoo lang. I love it. What's next? Sinong next?
Madalas kita
Oh my God, ang ganda ng kanta.
kitang may kasama. Makahawak ka
Boses niya, no?
mga kamay.
Distinct. Napaka-distinct ng boses niya.
Kailanman ang puso, tuwid man ang tingin, lumilig ko ng isip ko. Ang puso ko'y naliligaw, ang puso ko'y naliligaw.
Wow, Daya Asley.
Ikaw at ako ang
The leveling. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng boses ni Daya. Wow. Oh my God, Dea Asley. Seryoso ba? Oh my God, ang lala.
Kung hindi ngayon ang panahon na para sa'yo,
Emotion.
huwag maiinip dahil kaniyan ang buhay sa mundo. Kapi ko ay hinihakbo upang tumakansan.
The details. The deeds. Okay. Oh my God.
Kung mayroong pagsubok man, ang liwanag ay di magtatagal at muli mamamasdan.
I have to be honest with you, ang kumanta nito na nagpaiyak lang sa akin, this is the second time. Ang una, si Charis Pempenko. My God! Full of emotion sila, no? Uy! What was that? Wow, Zepan is nailing it. Zepan is nailing it. Grabe, no? Zepan is nailing it for today's video. Ay, wala si Julie. Ay, wala si Hana. Ang gwapo ni ano? Sino to? Yung sa gitna. Bukod sa... Ayan. Neville? Oh my God. Neville! Gwapo. Grabe. Makmak. Gwapo din to, oh. Oops. Okay. Oh, this gown reminds me of Julian San Jose's gown. Wow! Wait! The second voice ng mga, mga The Voice Kids. Ganda? Grabe, walang tapon. Walang tapon, Mami. Tama ba yun? Walang tapon. Hala, napaiyak ako, napanganga, napamura, and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, the super voices. This is Kijo Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Iba talagang GMA singers.